Hello my friends and welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for my Nifty 50 page kit series, and I am using a collection. It was from May 2023. It was a double shot kit from the scrap room, and it's all kinds of goodies from Photoplay Campus Life. So these tones are a much deeper tone, much richer, almost like a fallsy kind of vibe. So I've got 3 pieces of pattern paper, which are plenty. I think I'll use black. So I'll have a black and a deep green. This is called Aspen, left over. So I'll go ahead and set that aside. And my embellishments for this collection, I've got to find some flair really quickly, is this full sticker sheet. So that should be fun to use. So the other thing that I have is I'm going to use day 19 from Christie's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches. Now this is a 2-page sketch. I'm not going to be doing 2. I am going to be using just 1 page. So let me break down what I'm seeing here. A big title. Sure, we can put in a big title. We've got some scallop things. Interesting. A couple of tags, a couple of big clusters. And if you look at it, we have a visual triangle. So let's see. Here's my photo. This is a photo of my son and his fiance when they were in college. The school is black and a bright blue. That's why I chose black for my background right away. So I'm going to concentrate a little bit over here, but keeping in mind that I will have a nice visual triangle with tags. Perfect. Okay. So let's see. I can, of course, trim this, and I finally will have enough paper to have a photo mat, mat around a layout. Geez Louise, it's been a little tough. So let's see. I'm going to go ahead also from the get-go. I'm going to gut this piece of paper because I'm sure it'll come in handy to have some nice black cardstock. Oops. I might need, oh my gosh, guys, I think I need a new blade. That really made kind of a tear in that. Jeez Louise, oh my gosh. Okay. Yep, time for a blade. Do you guys know where I left my blades? I have no idea. Okay, I'll put that aside because I want to figure out what I'd like my background to be. So this is kind of fun with all of the books. Oh my word. I didn't know. Oh my gosh. Yep, this is getting trimmed. Yeah, this is, now we're having some issues, guys, but we're going to have fun with it. Okay, I'm going to take off 3/4 of an inch. And hopefully this will cooperate. I'll do 3/4 of an inch again, and we're just going to have to be a little careful. That's okay. Because you guys, I need this to be my background or one of my photo mats. I love a diagonal stripe, and I get very pleased when I have one. Oftentimes they have all kinds of the colors from the collection, and you totally get to experience all of the colors, but it's also very interesting. You can see that repeating pattern of the diagonal stripe everywhere. So this just got a little bit quirkier, but that's all right. I saw something and I, went for it. I'm the boss of my papers, people. I am. So that will go like that. Great. That's plenty big of a mat. It's just kind of funny looking. Okay, so what can I put? Oh, no, the florals aren't the right sentiment, but I like them. And then this, that does let them show, and the embellishments would show more. So that is cut to there. I'm going to just have a skinny black border, and I'll come in with this piece of paper. Okay, well, that's kind of fun. Didn't know that things were going to be wonky like that, but that's right. So I need to take off 1 1/4 inch. Good to know. Let's see. Let me take that off so that I can get a proper 1 1/4 measure. There we go. Perfect. So clearly I need to pop all of these pieces down, but I think that's going to be super fun. Now, I do I still have enough? Good. I have enough white cardstock from a previous layout to map my photo. And of course I can map my photo on this and on this, and I shall do so. That will be easy peasy lemon squeezy. And that leaves this full sheet of pattern paper, which is fun. Now, Campus Life, I need a big title, so I'm going to have Campus Life be a big title for me. Let me go ahead and do just a quick little something something with this foam. There we go. So we have that nice and handy. We know we're going to use that. All right, so I also wanted to create some tags. So I'm going to do that with some of the leftovers. That will be fun. So maybe I won't have so much left over. All right, so I'm going to cut into this for a tag. I'm going to cut into some of that stripe for a tag, and they'll be cute. They're just going to be like taglets. So I don't know. Yeah, I'm not really feeling for this campus idea, that floral. And guys, I love me a floral, but just not for this. So let me create my tags. Let me, oh, so I see. They're going to have the tags go into like one of the photo pockets. I'm hip. I get it. When I say they, I mean me. I am they. I always do that, and then I always want to cut just a little bit more. And I can, because I'm the boss me. Okay, let me get these pieces down. Let me get a little bit more of the design under my belt, and I'll meet you right back here. So I have a bunch of the pieces cut out, but nothing is tacked down except for my background. So I thought it might be time to do that. I still haven't looked for flare. I haven't, but we shall bring them in shortly. So we're going to pop photo here. I made my tags and a little tag holder, so we'll pop that in a moment. The title went above the photos right here, so I'll pop my large title up there. And we'll go from there. So that will be cute. Done. Got this big old stack of books that I thought would be rather cute to have nestled right next to the photo, because, you know, we really don't need these people here. They don't help us tell the story. And then I have this. It's kind of like a fake pocket, but I thought it would work just fine. Let's make sure that's about straight. To pack or pop my little tags in. So they're going to go in there, totally simulating a fake pocket. It's not really a pocket. It's okay. It's okay. I think I'd like to get a little bit of dimension behind my tags. I think. These are the things like you start creating, you're like, oh, that might be nice. Oh, that might be nice. And here we are. Pop it there. We'll pop it there. Boom, boom, boom. And we'll just keep zipping along with this. I think it is super fun. Super, super fun. Okay. So we have these fun tags. And I'm going to put them in. They have adhesive on the back, and now they are on there. And we get to decorate them up, which is super. I keep saying super. What's with the super? Which is fabulous. Okay, we have that. I've got a football. I've got a coffee with a little study hard on it. Maybe we'll tuck in a set of golf clubs, because that would have been happening for my son. And a baseball, because, yeah, baseball games, football games, this is what all of this is. This is, yeah, I know the English. That's what it was all about. Having fun, having campus life, running around, seeing people, the whole thing. Okay, I actually feel like, not that I feel like, I actually know that we have a bunch of stars, and we even have the same color that she is wearing. So we are going to integrate all of these acrylics on there. And use up a package. How freaking happy is that for me? So package fini. So I'm going to use that up. I'm going to find some flare, and I'm going to just keep adding to this to see how far we can bulk it out. And guys, I'll meet you back here to show you my finished layout. Okay, I grabbed big ol' honkin' wood pieces because I thought it would lend to this really nicely. You know, the color palette and all that. I think I'm going to get a little bit of black and white twine and do a little bit of a loop-de-loop with that. I used actually a decent amount of the stickers as things go. So I think that's super fun. I'm going to put my stickers to the side. Let's see. Now I do have this. Do I have a G and a V? I'm going to just do G, V, SU for Grand Valley because that's where they were. And I can pop that right about here to give myself a little bit of information about where this photo is taken place. So that's fun. And these guys, these stickers are from a previous kit. They did not come with this one, but how great that it's all working, right? I was able to use the blue stars, and I brought in some flare that also included a very bright blue piece to bring it all together. I love when we can use stash. Yes, I am on the struggle bus to get this U down. Okay, so that bulked that up a little bit too. Doing just the quickest check on our stickers, but the other ones aren't going to work. So let's see. You know, so much of my product that I have from previous kits are what I call like the really pretty stuff. So, you know, like the gorgeous, like Maggie Holmes and all of that. All right, so I've got lots of stars and things, but I like the idea of seeing any of these other puffy colors will work. So hold on. Bright pink is a no. Nope, nope, nope. This is where I'm starting to go, okay. You know, I could do black, but the white would really be great to keep. Stop it. I'm sorry, I got excited. We have more of the stars in the right color. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just really bring that color home because it is Grand Valley's black and blue. So why not? So let me get a medium one down here. All of our bits have these great stars. Bella Boulevard to the rescue with the puffies. Because I need to start working way more of those puffies in. So now, I think I'm just going to see if I have any enamel dots to pop in. I'm going to go ahead and put a little twirly loop-de-loop around my tags, guys. And you'll see that in the still shots. But I will call this layout, for the most part, done. Still shots to follow, and I'll see you ever so soon with another video. Bye, friends.